Ooh, that bitch kept in the crib.
Ooh, a dragonfly went right by your ear.
A dragonfly don't want nothing with nobody.
But they sure do be flying in niggas' faces.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Montego Ramon here with the Rise of X channel where we rise to the occasion, man. I'm here with Amaya and my boy Zakari, Zurrency in the building, Stretch Customs. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so yeah, bro, we about to just do like just a little bit of market talk. You know, we in the pool with it, chilling after a workout. And how was your trading? How'd your trading day go?
Yeah.
Alright, look, so for me right now, I'm under mentorship. Nick Trades, a great fucking guy.
Okay.
And it was a red day, P&L red day.
Okay.
Not but green day emotionally.
Okay.
And so initially I go do my own pre-market analysis.
I like that what he said
based off of you know, the information that I'm learning from him and everything, and to see if it ties in with him, with the mentor. And initially I had a bearish bias, and due to stacked fair value gaps and unswept highs, and everything from 30-minute and above is bearish. So
Yup.
and market was accumulating the session prior to New York, so we're going to manipulate, and that is a perfect place, a perfect draw on liquidity price, and that's exactly what it did. But my mentor had a bullish bias, so I didn't go against his bias, and I missed out on 200 points.
See, I know
But
that.
It's cool though.
I know a little bit
still
about
a green
that.
day.
I at least know a little bit about that.
That's what's up though. I just want to point out.
The bid.
Nah, see, I want to point out one important thing he said. He said I had a red day P&L, but I had a green day emotionally. That is super key
because you learned something.
the losses don't really define you. You gotta make sure that like you good here and you executing the strategy, win, lose, or draw. It's like that's a part of trusting the process and letting it happen. And you say you still up in the account?
Yeah, I'm still up. I'm up 700 right now.
700
and third day.
Third day?
Yeah, so even if this was, you know, actual money, I'd be up $700 for the week.
What?
So
who you up with? Who the prop firm you trading with?
My funded futures.
Okay, cool. My funded futures. Okay. Dang, you know what I should have did? I should have had him screen record his phone. He could have showed you on the actual charts, and I could have posted that while he was talking and showed it. We could do that, but
you can just edit it in.
At least for right now. The talks are good for now. I just did this on the fly, and now I'm thinking like, oh, this cool. We got a nice little background. We in the water chilling. So how did my trading day go this week? How did my trading week go? I think I blew one account this week.
Oh, the week.
Damn.
I was talking about just today.
I believe. Oh, okay, cool.
What account did you not blow?
I blew one account this week. I reset the account, and then we're up in gold longs, which I almost had forgot about. But then I've been keeping an eye on it. You know, I've been posting a trading video every day. So we caught longs on gold, and we kind of just sitting in that. Then I was taking some little scalps here on ES and NQ. Mostly a lot of break even and some small losses. I had one probably nice size loss. It was like a $1,700 loss. A couple of smaller losses like $600, $200. We had like a win for 110. I think we might have went positive today though on ES. I didn't even check for real. We're up 2,600 ticks in gold right now. That's up 5,000, and the trade's still running. So
I still know the difference between ticks and points.
So a tick, this is how you break down ticks and points. If y'all don't know ticks, points, there are 4 ticks for every 1 point.
Oh,
there are four ticks for every 1 point. And then it breaks down like this. In NQ, a tick, this NQ minis, right? A tick is worth $20. So 1 point is worth $80. That makes sense in one contract. In MNQ, so micros for NQ, a tick is $2. So it's a tenth of what it is for NQ. And so a point is worth $8, right? So that's how you calculate that. I'm in micro gold, so I'm up 2,600 ticks, and I'm in 4 contracts, I think. Or no, it's 2 contracts. So that's why it's like $2,600. I'm up $5,200 basically. So that's where we at with that. All right, cool. That's one part down. You know what I'm saying? Other update, I just deposited $1,000 into my Robinhood investment account. So we went from 0 to 1,000, made the first contribution. And I told y'all our first target is 10K. And then we're looking to get in gold loans here. I'm waiting on a pullback. I didn't get it.
On Ethereum this morning.
You made how much?
$3.
Oh, that's what's up. We're gonna clap for that.
I made $3.
He ain't had to work for that. He just put his money to work.
Oh, okay.
Look,
I had money in there.
people don't know this, but look, your money can work way harder than you can. These are soldiers at your command. You just got to put them to work. And most people they don't do that.
And give them the proper combat training.
You know what I'm saying?
So they'll be able to, when to take a fight.
Exactly.
Or, you know what I'm saying? When to fall back.
You gotta
Ceasefire.
You gotta get a money a purpose, or it's gonna just disappear, and you're gonna be like, where the hell my money go? You know what I'm saying? So, what else though? What you? Go ahead.
I would say, like, what would be the biggest takeaway for the week?
My biggest takeaway for the week, it's a couple things for me, right? I think number one was really just sizing down and making sure that I'm being, I was getting lazy with my trading. Like, I got lazy. So I was like, why am I taking micros when I need to be, minis when I need to be taking micros so I can manage my risk well, even though I'm not in a live account right now. I'm still need to be in practice of taking, like, treating this seriously. So I need to size down, make sure I'm taking the right trades and doing the right practices. So when I jump in the real thing, is you practice, you know what I'm saying? You show up in public what you practice in private, right? So that's why it's important that you do what you're supposed to do in private. So when you come in public, it just come automatic. You know what I'm saying? If you shoot shots in the gym, like it's a game-winning shot every time. Like when it comes time for game time, and you do it at game speed, that's gonna translate. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta watch out for that.
What do you say though? No. What do you say? What do you say?
Practice,
No, what you say about public and private?
What you practice in private is what you practice. Is what's gonna come out in public. So you gotta you can't play with it. You know what I'm saying? If you know it's gonna change your life, treat it like it's gonna change your life.
Well, I tell you, it's that serious to me.
You gotta like.
It's that serious.
Because people don't know. Like, look, I'm
serious.
gonna say two things. How you do anything is how you do everything. This is
Except for making the bed.
Two guys taught me this. Jim Quick, and then a monk I used to do meditate with. And they was teaching me how they would teach the kid monks, and how they would, like, if they're doing just a little task like sweeping the floor, they put everything in it and focus hard on it. And that's how they treat everything. You know what I'm saying? Giving it is that total undivided attention, and then being totally present with this thing. So it translates over into everything
your mama
else.
told you start cleaning up at home now. You'll be clean when you get out.
He said they focus on sweeping. That's crazy.
Yeah, just any little task. You know what I mean?
Task.
So it's like that's how they treat it. You know.
My point exactly. Make your damn bed, nigga.
Yeah, you have time to put clothes up. You have to be understanding that.
And if you got time to put dishes up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got time to flush the toilet, you know what I'm saying?
My biggest takeaway this week, outside of the charts, because outside of the charts, applies to the charts, is it's not lying to yourself. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, okay.
And it's like you have to be accountable.
Yeah.
There is nothing in the market, or when you out the nest, that's telling you you're doing wrong. You have to know that you're doing wrong.
Exactly.
And you have to move accordingly.
Exactly.
You know what I'm talking about? So if I'm losing trades, for this said thing, I'm not gonna blame the market. Why am I losing this trade?
Exactly.
Have I been back
What you need
testing?
to do different.
How are my emotions going about this trade? Those things need to be journaled. Those things need to be taken account of.
So you can look back.
Something you need to be aware of.
Right.
And not lie to yourself.
Right.
Because you have time.
Because you can't say the reason why you lost a trade was because of X, Y, and Z. You got the time. You got the tools. You got the resources. So you shouldn't be losing that motherfucking trade.
She didn't catch the shade, but
I caught the shade.
You gotta stay aware.
I caught the shade and I dodged the bullet. Okay. The shade was
See, hit the matrix on your ass.
oh God, matrix.
Very important to stay aware.
Yeah.
Very important to stay aware. Don't lie to yourself.
Don't shit come to no food, especially no money.
right. So what else? What else you?
No, oh my bad. I was playing, but my biggest takeaway for real though is I was getting on her ass. My biggest takeaway is, damn, I had it, was really understanding what I'm getting into. And I was talking to Tigo about that, was because, you know, when you get so caught up in your situation and letting your situation kind of, you know, dictate, you know, how you trade, like you can, that just really pulls you into tilt. And that shit blows accounts. And so
you so worried about everything else and not focused on what you need to focus on.
Exactly. It's a lot easier said than done, but like that's really what be happening. So I was really trying to be very conscious of the entries that I'm taking and why I'm taking these entries and what's causing the entries to go the way that I'm predicting.
That's super important so that you don't get in there and be, because when you start chasing money, you ain't trading no more.
Exactly.
That's where people be fucking up.
You don't ever want to chase the money. The money gonna come.
And
money always gonna come.
I actually have to catch myself. So what I was just telling you in there, bro, that the self-pity and how people be falling into that. And I caught myself attaching like a successful day to how my trading went. And like today, I was like, I don't want to say feeling sad, but like you feel like a little bit of anger, you know, because you want to make money. You want to make money, and when you're not making money, you feel like you should have made money. Like that shit, it just.
And that's where God come into play.
And I literally though, because I'm doing you know, one of the like those little daily plan, little devotional for anxiety. But I just stepped out on the balcony, took a couple of deep breaths. I've lost two losing days this week, one winning day, and I'm still up $700. So.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah,
because
so
God is bigger than that. You know what I'm saying? God is way bigger.
And that still comes back to being aware as well.
Because if you lose today, you lose today. Sometimes God will make you lose for a reason. He'll keep you stay down for a reason because you're not ready yet. Come on now, you're not ready yet.
I'm about to splash her ass.
I'm just saying.
Nah, she right.
You're not ready. So he's building you, preparing you for what's to come.
All right.
You already know. You already technically you on the finish line. You're gonna win. You know what I'm saying? Like you're on the right path.
So you're gonna win.
You're gonna win.
You're gonna win.
So God he just got. You know,
what you be trying to tell Mama that God wants us in the Bible is that God wants us to do better things than Him, right? Jesus.
Yeah, you said you would do greater things than I.
You will not want to.
You will.
You
and God already knows your story. You don't know your story because we can't tell the future.
Jesus ain't never drove no Vic.
Bro, shut
What?
But he had people watching.
This is insane.
He did something more magical than drop a bet now.
All right. Next segment. What else did I want to talk? We talked about what we did, how the trading day, kind of the week looked. We talked about what was our biggest takeaway. I'm kind of curious to see what are going to be our new approaches going into the next week.
New approach.
What you thinking? What you kind of focusing on? What's the game plan going into this next week?
I actually have a video saved. There's like this I'm about to say this white hole, excuse me, but
yo, oh my God.
That's what my homie was in the party talking about.
Boy, that's all that.
When you're referring to a woman like this white bitch video I seen.
Oh my God.
But like it was this white lady, this white woman. She had like a list of bullet points of what successful traders are doing every week, every day, every month to stay profitable. And it's a list of things, but one of the things that stood out was journaling your emotions every trade. And they're doing 100 backtest entries a week. I mean, over the weekend.
So what
during
is
the
the
markets.
backtesting shit? Like
backtesting is you going and placing entries in the simulated market.
So how can you get 100 a week? What you gonna do? Like 25?
No, trade. So like just pressing.
Basically.
Like, my bad. You good?
Oh yeah. Well, basically, you they have a replay button in the market, or you can go back and see previous historical data. And then, or you could allow the market to kind of replay, or you could just go back and look and find like, hey, market did this. How did my strategy play out? You know what I'm saying? And you kind of take some stats on the data.
Back testing, like, is it because how many charts?
That's funny.
I got you, bro, because mine wasn't working either. Yeah, mine wasn't working. I don't know what the hell going on.
So yeah, he said he talked about journaling, backtesting entries.
Backtesting more.
So what did you say you want? So you saying you want to do more of that this week?
No, that's
moving forward.
yeah, moving
right.
forward. That's what you said. Moving forward. What are we gonna implement moving forward? So
Okay, so you want to do more?
But what's the new thing you gonna do next week though? Like, what's something you got planned to do next week? Like starting Sunday.
Starting Sunday, I actually need to get up an hour before market open and go. I need to put together a pre-market routine.
So that's when you can hit your run and then go back on the yard.
Yeah, no, I ain't doing no running. No, I ain't doing that shit. I need to
Oh,
go chill.
this nigga make us do 3-mile walks on Sundays. What happened to that?
Oh no, I said I meant like the day, like before the market opens. Like it's
What is
8:30. I'm sorry. Yeah, she didn't understand. That's 8:30 every day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like a comedian video, right?
So it's like I'm being on that balcony. It's a song I listen to every morning. I'm meditating every morning, and I'm just taking a bunch of deep breaths and just bringing myself down and getting in a focus state. That's what I'm doing.
Okay, that sounds good.
That's good.
So for me going forward into this next week, the game plan for me is to really kind of, when I'm in confusion, stay out of the market. I'm gonna keep it that simple. When I'm in confusion, if I feel confused about it, stay out of the market, bro.
You should see how she was just
What is she laughing?
Well, Maya be judging Maya.
It's confusing. I'm not
Don't take. Why are you trading? Then you don't even know what the hell. I don't know what. Why are you?
No, real shit. I had to close.
He going today like, oh shit.
I had to close my laptop today, bro, because I was ready to just keep pressing by.
Yeah.
I had to turn that fucking game on.
Yeah, I was like, bro, it was because it was a couple of trades I took, and it was like, bro, you didn't really have to. You could have waited,
Yeah.
and you just didn't have to take that. You know what I mean? Like,
line up, you just press the button.
you know what I'm saying? Like that $1,700 loss. I don't think I should have either got the trade a long time ago. I just didn't have to take that. It was too confusing. It wasn't a high quality area to be taking a trade. So like, there are areas like, bro, if you go. Like, okay, look, if you go to the higher time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, there are clear areas of strong support and resistance where you see, hey, you got 3, 4, 5, 6 touches here, price bounced and went the other way.
And we still taking sales.
Why am I trying to take, just wait on price to get here, bro? If I don't take a trade this week, I gotta be okay with it. And sometimes I don't be okay with it, bro. I'm gonna just be real. Like, don't fucking trade it, bro. And nah, just real shit. Like, bro, don't trade, bro. That is key right there, bro. Sometimes just take your ass to sleep.
No, I swear to God, you do that shit, bro.
Bro, just take your ass to sleep, bro. Don't do nothing, bro. Like, man, God said, be still and know that I am him. God said, be still and know, what God said? Be still and know that I am, what he say?
Be still.
Be still. Like,
We know I lost.
you know what I'm saying, bro? You don't gotta take no, like, bro, if
Your ass do be quick shit. I'm gonna go get me McDonald's.
honestly, like, I missed the early position I could have took on gold. I should have been in that joint last week. I should have had those trades on NQ in them last week when they hit that Thursday, when they found that bottom and it turned around. I should have been in there. That's the trade I should have been took. I could have sized down, had a wider stop, gave it a good amount of breathing room. That's a major bottom off of the highs. We not in a bear market. We wasn't down 20%. We buying that. That's the type of trading that also needs to be applied to, or I use in the options market where we're doing long dated leap options where I'm just waiting till we get to a major area and I'm taking that trade. You know what I'm saying? In my day trading, I've mostly been in a state of mind of like scalping 15, 20 minutes in and out. You know what I mean? And it's like we're trying to just catch a run. And it's like, nah, bruh, let's be a little more patient with it. Really, I think swinging is more profitable than anything anyways. And it's less work, less monitoring. So that's me going forward, baby.
And then niggas like, we know sell at the bottom, buy at the top. But when we see them 1 minute counters run, boy, let me help you get in on
You
this
know
shit.
what I'm saying?
Because my game plan for next week to get him on track, I have to be at work at 7:30, so I gotta get up earlier than him. So I'm gonna just make sure his ass is up by motherfucking 7
That
a.m.
breakfast hot and ready.
I don't know about breakfast and all of that. I don't got time for
Breakfast hot
that.
and ready.
But I'll probably maybe cut him up some fruit, cut him up some apples or something. You know what I'm saying? Have it ready on the desk.
They joking and berries.
I'll go ahead and
hard.
turn his computer on and open the motherfucking trunks for his ass.
I love how she just hopped her ass up in here with it. Nah, but they're a team, so we gonna let it fly.
Exactly.
Yogurts, berries, and honey, and sometimes I'll be crumbling up them Biscoff cookies. That shit be crazy in the morning.
I
boy.
better be involved. He over looking at rings in Walmart and shit.
This video is now approaching 20 minutes, so I'm going to cut it. I don't like to make the videos no more than like 20, 30 minutes. So, man, hey, man, it's your boy Montego Ramon here with the Rise X channel. We rise to the occasion. I'm with your boy Zurrency. Hey, it's girl Maya, wifey, and man, peace.